Hey everybody, this is Clarissa from Sweetheart Tendencies. Thank you guys for continuing to watch my videos. If you want to achieve this look that I have on today, just watch my video to the right, and while you're at it, check out my website. You can get this Queen Tendency shirt for just $15 plus $5 for shipping, so a total of $20, just to show how much you have that Queen Tendency look. Come through, honey. Thank you guys.
First off, I'm going to start out by moisturizing my face. I will list this moisturizer data in the description below, so check it out. I'm going in with my pencil and my spoolie to line my brows so that way I can fill them in with the pomade. Now I'm going in with my pomade. The shade that I am using is in the color dark brown. This actually gives my eyebrows an enhancement.
Here we go.
After I have filled in my eyebrows completely, I'm going under brow with a concealer that is 2 shades lighter. This actually gives my brow bone a highlight. Next, I'm going in between my brows to make sure that the brows are not coming over one more than the other. So I use the same concealer that I used under my brow. It all is going to be blended at the end, so just keep watching. Before I blend, I'm actually going to go above my brows with a different color concealer that is either the same shade as my skin tone or 1 shade darker. This actually helps with a perfect arch. Sidebar, be very careful around these brows because they still are wet. You want to just take your time by patting, not rubbing. After I blend those 2 concealers, I actually go in with a eyeshadow primer. It's in the color white. It just makes my colors pop. To me, this is the best part of makeup because this is where you can put your artistic skills to use and blend those colors, baby. Never let anyone tell you that you cannot wear a certain color because of the skin tone. Just put those colors on and blend them and they will come out perfect. I am such a gold person and bronze person, so this is my favorite palette and that's my favorite shade, as you can tell. Just watch me put it to use. So next I'm going to go right back into that palette and go ahead and use a green. I love the color green for so many different reasons, but when it comes to makeup, it just sets it off. I'm going to go back in with the first color I used, which was that red, and just go ahead and fade into that green, so that way all my colors blend very well. I'm going to use this pencil liner to go ahead and add my wing to my eyes just to set it off. This gives you a sexy look when you add the wing. Time to add the foundation. I'm just going to go through this really quickly. I just add it all over my face. I'm done with the foundation. I actually go in with a loose finishing powder by FitMe. I just spread that all over my face also. This stops my face from looking shiny all day. It is a matte finish, so this is perfect for you oily ladies. After I get finished with my finishing powder, I go in with a bronzer. This bronzer is by Milani, and you can get it from Walgreens in the cosmetics aisle.
Here we go.
I'm going to blush these cheeks, so I'm using the Bhcosmetics blush and contour palette, and I just go a little bit where my bronzer is just to give me a rosy cheek. If you have any moles on your face like myself and you want them to show, just use a liner to just go in and darken them. Next step is placing lashes. The lashes had glue on it already, and I just glue it to make it tacky, and I press firmly against my real lashes. After both lashes are applied, I actually go and do my bottom lashes with a mascara, just to darken them, just to give it a doll baby look. This lip gloss that I am about to use is actually from my site. It's actually out of stock currently, but check out my website and you can see the different flavors that we have in. All done now. Let's go ahead and set this baby up, and we are good. You guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. Love that video just as much as I did. Thank you guys for watching. Just keep on supporting me. Subscribe, like to this page. Don't forget to check out our other pages. It says Sweetheart Tendencies on Facebook.com, Sweetheart Tendencies on Instagram.com. You also can go on our website, SweetheartTendencies.com, to purchase a shirt just like this one. And just ask me any questions you would like in the comments below. Love you guys. See you guys next time.